Today, the hearing of Narod scam case started in Calcutta High Court before a constitutional bench consisting of five honorable judges. But at the time of hearing, the learned Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta, informed the court that an SLP has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation before the Supreme Court of India, and accordingly, he has requested the court to adjourn the hearing till Wednesday. But after hearing his submission, court asked him whether a stay order has been given or not. He replied that no stay order as such was given. Matter has already been filed. It was mentioned before the learned register of Supreme Court, and learned register of Supreme Court is likely to place it before the Honorable Chief Justice of India to be listed by tomorrow. Accordingly, the it will be listed in the Supreme Court tomorrow. Till then, let the matter be adjourned. In this way, the request was made for the Calcutta High Court, but Calcutta High Court not inclined to fulfill this request. Accordingly, the Calcutta High Court went away with the hearing of the case, and the hearing took place till 1:30 p.m. and the matter was heard in part. Though no order was passed today. Accordingly, all the accused persons, rather the four heavyweight leaders of the Trinamool Congress of West Bengal, will have to remain under house arrest until further orders. The next date of hearing is fixed on Wednesday. But on Wednesday, yes, the huge cyclone is likely to hit the coast of West Bengal, and accordingly, all the internet connections are likely to be disrupted like last year during Amphan cyclone. So as a result, not only on Wednesday but also for the rest of the week, the virtual hearing through internet in Calcutta High Court may be disrupted. So in that event, the next date of hearing in Calcutta High Court is likely to be not earlier than Monday next. But in the meantime, Supreme Court hears out this matter and passes an order of stay of all further proceedings before Calcutta High Court, that in that event there shall be no further hearing of this matter before Calcutta High Court. Matter will be heard by the Supreme Court from the next dates onwards. This is, in short, the today's proceedings in Calcutta High Court regarding this Naroda scam case. Thank you.